What if you're in a car accident or you're somehow disabled for any reason? What insurance is there for that?
There is disability insurance. Great question. And you are more likely to be disabled in your lifetime before age 65 than to die.
Far more likely, from what I understand.
Yes, I think 3 times are the numbers I've heard. So disability insurance replaces lost income. It is either purchased individually by you, like a life insurance policy, and sometimes provided by your employer.
Right.
When you use pre-tax money to pay the premiums, the benefits come to you tax-free.
So in other words, if you pay it out of your own pocket, if you ever need it, it's going to be tax-free.
Correct.
But Philip, tell us what happens if your employer gives it to you, which is a good thing.
Right. It's a great benefit that your employer might offer, but you need to be fully aware that if you're not paying for it, you're going to be taxed on it. So if you're making the contribution to pay the premium, that's a policy you personally are buying. But if your employer is paying for it and it comes to you through some type of disability, you will be taxed on it. And what I do at my office is I'll run scenarios for you based on whatever type of policy you have. So if I look at your premium on your W-2 and say, hey, are you paying for this or is your employer paying for it? I'll run a scenario with either a taxable scenario of you receiving disability benefits or a non-taxable scenario where you're receiving benefits.
But disability insurance is replacing income.
Correct.
Which would normally be taxable. So if you're not paying tax on the disability insurance proceeds, then you need less of it.
Correct.
To replace the income.
Correct. I would reduce the tax calculation in the as far as your use of funds, because I look at it as either a source of funds or a use of funds or some combination.